Okay, so hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali and this is a journal of reading for all the Leo Sun Moon Venus rising from 5th till the 11th of January 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box, you'll find the links below for the same. And for tarot reading course, self-love course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, links are given below in the description box. So let's start. The overall energy for Leo people for this department of their life. Let's see what we have. Overall energy of the connection. धीमी धीमी आग से एक शोला भड़काया है, दूर से तुमने इस दिल को कितना तड़पाया है. We have Eight of Swords, King of Swords, Five of Pentacles, bottom of the deck is the Ace of Pentacles. You guys are telling me there's no more confusion, Anjali. There's no more confusion. Everything is crystal clear in my head, but I'm hurt. Yeah. But I'm feeling left out in the cold, but I'm definitely very hurt by whatever is happening. And I'm not able to process this hurt and pain because this is difficult for me. Okay. Bottom of the deck is Ace of Pentacles. You guys are looking forward to have a brand new beginning, a brand new chapter, maybe with the same person, or or maybe you are feeling Pentacles is related to money, job, career, finances. Maybe you are super focused on your money, job, career, finances. The hurt and the pain that you're feeling from inside is actually giving you the fuel to start a brand new chapter in maybe another area of your life. Okay, but there is no more confusion, there is no more ifs and buts, there is no more conflict. Everything is crystal clear, but it is hurtful, and you're feeling left out in the cold. You're feeling like you have lost something really precious, really meaningful, but at the same time it's relieving. Okay, if it is making sense, honey. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Leo. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you. The Lovers. This person is still in love with you. They might be distracted by other things, other people, other situations, maybe not romantically, but this person still feels a very strong pull, very strong bond towards you. Okay, let me clarify the Lovers here. They still love you. Might be distracted, but still have feelings and strong pull. Let's clarify the Lovers here. We have Two of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, King of Cups. This person is totally in love with you, Leo. Two of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, King of Cups, the Lovers. I don't know what's happening between you guys. Things are very slow right now. Things are stagnant right now. Things are not moving forward. But this person is feeling a lot of love towards you. Every kind of love. Unconditional love, friendship kind of love, romantic kind of love. They are in love with you. And this person is feeling like super connected to you, even if you guys are not talking to each other, even if you guys are not connected to each other, physically. This person is feeling, even if things are not moving forward, things are stagnant. I love Leo from the bottom of my heart and soul. Oh, this is really cute. Somebody loves you very much. It's not that crazy kind of stupid kind of attraction kind of love. It is that kind of love that we keep on talking about. Okay, spiritual people. Unconditional, beautiful, sorted, grounded, mature. Awesome. Even if they are most stupid person you have met, now their feelings are getting real with you, and it's hitting them hard that it's real. Nine of Cups. From your side, you feel like you're content with your life, you're happy with your life, whatever you feel like achieving, you are working on that. Okay, let's clarify this. We have the Ace of Swords, Judgment, and the Hermit card. Yes, you feel like you're mentally very, very clear that you have to let go of this particular person or situation out of your life, out of your system. And you're trying your best to keep your calm. Keep yourself calm, keep yourself maybe busy. You just want to sit with yourself, you just want to talk to yourself, you just want to do your own thing. Meanwhile, you are very, very mentally clear that you have to let go of this particular person or situation out of your life, out of your system, and it's important. I don't know what is happening. With this much love, I think it's good to go, but you are feeling like, no, it's not. I should just release it and I should just do my own thing. Okay. Your wish fulfillment, your desire is not love, I think, right now. That's something else. That's why you might be rejecting the idea of being with this person, even if they are totally in love with you. I don't know if they expressed it or not, but they feel that you know it. Okay. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Leo? Two of Cups. Their intention here is to, just have a strong, beautiful connection, beautiful bond with you. Why they're not heading towards marriage or commitment or something? I don't know. But this person wants to keep this bond alive, as if it's a spiritual thing going on in the cosmos. Something really beautiful is going on, and they just want to feel it, and they want you also to feel it on a deeper level. Okay, this is cool. Let's clarify the Two of Cups here. We have Chariot, Six of Swords, Hanged Man. With all of the love that they have for you in their heart and soul, they want to keep moving forward in their life. They don't want to get stuck, and they don't want you also to get stuck. Okay, but they want to keep this love alive in their heart and soul forever. And while keeping this love alive in their heart, they want to keep moving forward in their life with or without you. If you are going to be with them, good. If you are not going to be with them, they don't want to stop themselves from moving forward, and they don't want you also to get stuck because of them in their life. Wow. This is a very mature, very beautiful energy. I mean, the true love that we talk about in novels and movies, this is that kind of energy. This is straight out of a beautiful love story, fairy tale. Wow, this is a fairy tale love story after a very, very long period of time on my channel. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? Queen of Swords. You just want to be cold and off and detached. I don't give a shit about kind of thing. Okay, why? You're not telling me the reason though. You're like, I have my own reasons, Anjali. I can't tell you. Fine. Let's clarify the Queen of Swords here, honey. We have Death, Nine of Cups, and High Priestess. You're telling me that you are never going to be happy with this person. So what's the use of going in that direction and creating stories and scenarios and whatnot? You just want to keep your reason to yourself. But right now, you're just telling me, I don't want to go in this direction because I know we are not going to be happy together. Okay, that's why I just want to be cold and off and detached and maybe cutting this person out of my life for good. And I want to do it with, I don't, okay, I don't want to create any kind of drama here. I am going to do it in silence. So, very silently, very diligently, I'm going to leave this situation behind. I'm talking on your behalf, right? You know it, right? And I just want to do my own thing because I know we are never going to be happy together. And that's final, Anjali. Got it, my love. I respect your decision. You have your own, like, not excuse, you have your own reason. And if it is so strong, the way you are telling me, I am with you. Yeah. Let me see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 11th of January 2026. Sun card, crystal clear clarity. A lot of clarity is coming in, a lot of like energy being illuminated or something. Path illuminated. Let's clarify the sun here as a potential outcome for you guys, Leo. We have the devil, the three of pentacles, ace of cups. Okay, you guys will be able to figure out the toxicity, the negativity, the unhealthy patterns, the unhealthy attachments, the obsessive, the possessive energies in this collaboration and partnership. And one of you is going to offer to start this chapter, to start this bond, start this connection all over again with love. And that is going to make the other person also really very, very happy, because this is what they wanted. They wanted the other person. Okay, one of you wanted the other person to understand their toxicities, negativities, unhealthy patterns, the things that they have to work on, the things that they have to take care of, so that you guys can make something work out in a very, very beautiful and positive way. So you guys are going to have that talk where one of you is going to tell the other person about their shortcomings. Maybe both of you, but one of you is definitely going to tell other person about what they should change, how they should behave, how they should, handle the situation, and what they should do about it and what they should not do about it. And after this beautiful communication between you guys, things can turn into a really meaningful, beautiful, and loving and caring kind of connection or bond once again. So this situation has the potential to go somewhere in a beautiful and positive way, only if you guys are going to allow it to happen, obviously. But there are good chances of you guys giving another shot to this with an open heart and with a very positive energy, like, okay, let's do it, it's good to go. Wow, nice. Leo, this is really beautiful reading, very, very beautiful reading. I'm very, very happy for you guys. Let's see the guidance here for you guys for this week. We have the two of swords, 10 of wands, 3 of cups. Okay, until unless you guys are going to communicate properly and honestly with each other regarding all of the fears, insecurities, burdensome and heavy energies that you guys feel for each other, feel in this connection with each other, you guys will not be able to have that kind of collaboration, partnership coming together, coming back together the way you guys should have it, right? So coming on the same page, being very, very open and honest to the idea of proper communication with all of your heart and soul from both the sides is highly, highly, highly required in order for the situation to move forward. If one of you is going to be like, one of you is going to be super open to the idea of communicating and properly navigating through this process in a gentle way, and one of you is like going to be a closed book and they're not going to open up or do shit about it, things are not going to change. Nothing is going to change then. Okay, so it's highly, highly required for both the parties to come on the same page, talk about the insecurities, talk about the fears, talk about what's working out and what's not working out, and what they want and why they want it. It's open and honest communication that is going to save this connection, because there is no lack of love in the situation. There's a lot of love, but only love is not enough, right? That's the problem here. So from your side, be very, very open, be very, very honest, be very, very blunt. Say everything, whatever you feel like, tell it exactly the way you feel it, tell it exactly the way you want it, and you don't have to worry about the other side. If they're able to match up with your energies, good. If they're not, keep moving forward. Okay. Okay, so honey, let me answer one of your questions related to this particular area of your life. This portion also might or might not resonate. Please keep that in mind, honey. If it does, good. If it doesn't, just leave and chill. Okay. And I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to watch to get the answer. If that's not enough, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you the answer in the next 10 to 15 seconds. And honey, your time starts now. Now. Let's see. I slept in between. Answer is yes. It's a clear cut yes, yes, yes. So I don't have to explain. Good. So thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste. This is the best reading for you guys. I'm so excited. Don't mess this up, okay? Bye.